do the documentation as like you do. May not be same, but it should be alike. And then the ethical standard. So ethical standard, one thing, how in short we say, as a researcher, if you don't have ethics, moral value, then maybe you are not a researcher, maybe you are a businessman or some other person. Knowledge about the bias. Which bias is working? Like for my, when I was trying to get Bangladesh, but it is not working because the code was from beginning it was just Bangladesh. So we should have some knowledge. Otherwise it's difficult. Then for future, like we beginning we are talking like this room, we may or not have same discipline, but this is called interdisciplinary collaboration. That's how we need. Otherwise, we cannot move forward. Maybe some of your friends or some of having high programming skill, take help from you. Maybe you are doing social science research. That's not a bad friend. You can take help. Or other discipline, maybe in the long term